अस्तु अस्तु महोदय, भवान् कृपया मङ्गला श्लोकं करोतु।
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। हरिः ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ॐ तत्सत्। नमो नमः।
धन्यवादः महोदय। पुनः सर्वेषां स्वागतं कक्षायां। So in last class, Rita Bhagini she discussed Sashti Bhakti, Pullinge and Napumsaklinge. Um, Sashti Bhakti tells us about relationship or ownership. Um, whose, who owns what belongs to whom in that sense. Today we will discuss the same topic, but we will look at Strilinga. The last class we discussed Napumsakling Pullinga. In today's class we will look at Striling Upyoga. कोऽपि प्रश्नः अस्ति, कोऽपि शङ्का अस्ति? Any doubt, any question regarding last class? Astu. So we'll look at Striling today. So if you look at the slides, slides is exactly the same that we had in last class. It's just that the example they will come from Strilinga, but other rules, niyamas, all same. There is no change in that. The example will change. So as we know, niyama is that the response to whose or of which. When we answer this question, then the reply will be Sashti Bhakti. So whose car, whose pen, whose pencil, whose house, whose son, whose daughter, whose father, whose mother. So whenever we ask this kind of question, uh, the answer would be Sashti Bhakti, that we already know. So there's one use case, and there are some Upad Bhakti. Upad Bhakti means apart from relationship, there are some other special scenarios or conditions where we use Sashti Bhakti. And one of that is when we do comparison between two or more than two. So let's say when you want to say that in the class, um, uh, some student is taller, or let's say want to say Rama is um, taller in the class, or he's smarter in the class, um, or we want to say between two. So between two people, you want to say that between Rama and Krishna, Krishna is smart, Krishna is chanchal. So when we compare between two things or more than two things, in that case also we use Shashti Bhakti. This is called Upadhi Bhakti. Upadhi Bhakti. So So if you look at the example, Balika Nam Sita Jeshta. So Balika Nam, Bahuvachan. In all the girls, who is senior? Sita. There are many girls, but in those girls, Sita is senior. Or you want to say between Sita and Radha, who is Dirgha, who is taller? It should be actually Unnata, not Dirgha. It should be Unnata, not Dirgha. So for comparison between Unnata, we use Shashti Bhakti as well. Any question, any doubt so far? Astu. We also looked at there's some other example of Upadhyakti as well. So we use words like Purtah means in the front, Purvatah, Prishtatah, Upari. Prishta means Purta is samne, Prishta is also in front, Upari up, Adah down, Vamatah left, Dachirtah right, Sadrisah like, Samah like, Tulyah. So when you use these kind of special words in a sentence, in that case as well, we use Shashti Bhakti. So let's look at some examples. तुलसी भगवान पूरे पढ़े तुम महोदय.
उपविध उपपद विभक्तिः पुरतः पूर्वतः पृष्ठः उपरिः अधः वामतः दक्षिणतः सदृशः समः तुल्यः. फर्स्ट सेंटेंस देव्याः पुरतः भक्ता सन्ति.
ना भक्ता.
That bhakta is only bhaktaah होना चाहिए ना. या भक्ताः सन्ति. So in front of the gods there are devotees.
अस्तु. फरियाद महोदय, भवान read the next line.
शालायाः पूर्वतः मन्दिरम् अस्ति. पूर्वतः is behind, I suppose.
Before.
पूर्वतः. All right. Shalaya. Before the schools, Shalayaha, the temple is there.
Parthiv, do the third one.
Chayaha adaha janaha. Chayayaha adaha janaha vishramyanti. In the shade, below the shade, the people are resting.
People are resting
in the shade.
Shade of the in the shade, and basically below
under
the shade. Which size fund? So under the shade, people are resting. Below the shade, people are resting. Sapna Magni, do the next one.
Is it Vishramyanti or Vishramayanti? पूरा म की आधा म?
आधा म भगिनी.
Okay, ठीक है. शिक्षिकायाः दक्षिणतः मानचित्रम् अस्ति. Left of right. दक्षिणतः मतलब right ना?
Right.
South. Right. शिक्षिकायाः south, right side of the teacher मानचित्रम् अस्ति. मानचित्रम् इत्युक्ते some photo?
Map.
Oh, मानचित्रम् is map. Oh, okay. मानचित्रम् अस्ति. Okay. Map is there.
Do the next one as well.
नद्याः उपरि मेघाः सन्ति. Nadya, on top of the river, clouds are there,
Hmm.
right?
हाँ.
Above the river, I guess, right? Yeah,
Above
upari.
the river, clouds are there. अस्तु. Ishwan Mohoday, do the next one.
Rivers, na? Nadyaah matlab rivers, na?
हाँ, sorry, हाँ. Nadya means
Uh,
so. No,
clouds are there.
Nadya is one river, Bhagini. एक नद्या, नद्याः.
Oh, okay. Shashti vibhakti. Nadyaah, हाँ, एक river.
षष्ठी
Okay.
विभक्ति.
Oh, okay.
ईश्वर महोदय, भवान् करोतु next one.
Ishwar Mahoday said he cannot take questions. His mic is not working.
अस्तु अस्तु, चिन्ता मास्तु. उमा भगिनी करोतु.
बालिकायाः वामतः स्यूतः अस्ति. बालिकाया. So to the left of the girl there is a bag.
Do the next one as well.
गायत्र्याः सदृशः समः तुल्य मन्त्रः नास्ति. Gayatri is the best. There's no mantra like Gayatri mantra, or it is the best among mantras.
So Gayatri, there is no mantra like Gayatri mantra. So you can say Sadrisha or Samatulya. You can use either word. Gayatriyaः Sadrisha mantra nasti. Gayatriyaः Samah mantra nasti. Gayatriyaः Tulya mantra nasti. All they mean same. Astu. अन्य कोऽपि नास्ति. अस्तु. तुलसी भवान्, do the next one, महोदय.
भक्तेः सदृशं ज्ञानं नास्ति. So there is no equal to there is no jnanam better than bhakti.
Bhakti. अस्तु महोदय. हाँ. मतलब do the next one.
कथानां सत्यनारायण कथा श्रेष्ठः. Among all the stories, Satyanarayana Katha is the best.
No, this one is a bit Bhaktyam. अस्तु महोदय. Hriraj Mohoday, do the last one.
I think we left one more. Bhaktyo.
एक मिनट. भक्तियो मतलब?
In bhakti.
In bhakti? So saptami?
So bhaktyo, or you can say
the word is bhakti, na?
Bhakti is like mati, I know. Bhakti is like mati, it has two forms.
No, so basically in bhakti,
Matyam nahi.
Bhakti is like mati, it has two forms. Like Hare, Bhakte, or Bhaktyaha. Both are there.
So in bhakti,
nahi.
she is like Radha.
नहीं भक्त्याम या भक्तौ भक्त भक्ति मति मतौ का तो भक्तौ ना.
Because Matyau, na?
Matyaha also is there. There are two forms.
नहीं मत्याम और मतौ. मत्याम या मतौ.
Bhaktau, not tau.
द्वितीय sorry द्विवचन will be मत्यौ. Sorry matyoho. Sorry matyoho.
So it will be bhaktau or bhaktya. Bhaktau or bhaktyam. So bhakti has a dual form. So you can say either bhaktau or bhaktyam. So it will be either like nadi, nadyam, or like mati, uh, or like muni, muno. So either is fine. So what you're saying in bhakti, sa radhaya tulya. So there's some girl who is saying that she's like Radha in bhakti.
Mahodaya, I still have a doubt.
हाँ मतलब पूछो तो.
If bhakti is like mati, it is
Hmm.
like mate, matyah or mate, like Hari, Hare,
No,
Hare.
no. So that's
Yeah.
Radhayah. That's Radhayah. So Sashti is
That is
here,
okay.
not here.
Bhakti, I am talking of bhakti.
But
It should be
bhakti
bhakti.
mode.
That is what I feel. Of course, I may not be wrong, correct.
No,
Because
here
if
we are
it is
using.
like mati, it is like Hari, Hare.
नहीं हरि
We are
नहीं
using.
महोदया हरि is pullinga, mati is strilinga. We are doing
But
strilinga here.
correct. But you check up, it has got both Strilinga form
No.
and also form of Hari.
Mode, here we are using Saptami Tulsi Bhavan, not Sashti. This is Saptami, no. Yeah. So. in
Yeah, I think the
Shakti it will
word is
be Bhakti.
bhaktaha, isn't it? The word is bhaktaha, isn't it?
No. Here it is Bhakti. So Bhakti is like is a Ikarant, Strilinga. So Saptami it will be either Bhaktau or Bhaktyam.
So वो ऊपर वाला जो है भक्ते है वो
So
भक्ता है.
No, that's a Bhakti. No, that's a Bhakti Sashti. So you can say Bhakti or you can say Bhaktyah.
Yeah, bhaktya. Okay. Very complicated sentences. Bhakte hai bhaktyaha sadrisham jnanam nasti.
So let me remove this. It is confusing.
Yeah, thank you.
No, sorry. Bhakti or Bhaktyah.
ये तुल्या में कैसे ये हाउ डिड दैट सप्तमी विभक्ति कम?
No. So
भक्तौ
basically, you are
भक्त्याम.
saying this. You are saying, "Si sa radhaya tulya." They want to tulya in which thing? So sa
Oh,
radhaya
in
tulya
bhakti.
bhaktyo. In bhakti, she is like Radha. So is it tulya because this is the for sa tulya radhaya tulya.
So, Mahoday, in the first earlier sentence, bhaktehe bhaktyaha sadrisham jnanam nasti, what is a noun?
Jnanam nasti.
Is it
Bhaktya
bhakti in both the cases?
No, so here Sashti is in bhakti. So bhakti sadisam jnanam nasti. So bhakti sadisam jnanam nasti. In here, Sashti is in radhayah.
Oh, so in the second one, it is among or in bhakti, there is no comparison to Radha. Or she's equal to Radha.
She is equal to Radha. So see what happens, the comparison, it used in both Sashti and Saptami. That's why it get confusing. You can use it either. So let me remove this one so that we don't get confused. So let's just have one. That's cool. Now, another use case of Sashti is Karoti Karanam, which already have done. Basically, for every word, we can express the same meaning using the bhavavachak or bhavadotak form of that word and using karoti. So, sah patati, you can also say sah pathanam karoti. Sah gachati, sah gamanam karoti. Sah nidrati, sah nidram karoti. It's called karoti karanam. So, basically, when do we use it? So if the form of the verb is hard to remember, in that case, you can, and if you don't remember the lakara, in that case, it's easier to use karoti karanam way of expressing kriya. So like there is dhatu called adhite. Adhite means to study. Now adhite is a lot lakar. It's not easy to remember. So one way to say that he's studying a book is you say balaka pustikam adhite. So the boy is studying a book. Or you can say balakah pustikayah adhyanam karoti. He is doing the study of the book. Similarly, you can say munihi katham upadisati. So Muni is telling a story. Or you can say Muni kathayah udesam karoti. He is Muni is describing, he is doing the what you call tell of a story. He is doing a tell of a story. Similarly, say balakah rotika khadanti. So the boys, they are eating chapatis. Or you can say balakah rotikanam khadanam kurvanti. The boys, they are doing the eating of the rotika. So either say they are eating the rotika, or you can say in other words they are doing the eating of the rotika.
So
So these are
rotikaha becomes roti kam.
rotika naam. So they are doing the
Rotika
eating
naam.
of the rotis. Rotika naam. Then bahuvachan, because here it is bahuvachan rotika, it become bahuvachan of sashti. So rotika, rotikayoh, rotika naam. Chhatrayah, chhatrayoh, chhatra naam. So he's doing the eating of the roti. Astu. Tulsi Bhavan karotu. Kapihi latam nasayati.
Kapihi latam nasayati. Monkey is destroying the creepers. So Kapi latasya nasanam karoti.
No, latayah.
Latayah nasanam karoti.
What will be the English meaning of that?
So actually, this is Strilinga, just it has to be latayah nasanam karoti.
And in English that will be monkey doing the destruction of the creeper.
Correct. Destruction of the creeper. Correct.
Doing. Now when you do Karoti Karanam, the Kriya will always be doing. Karoti doing.
Correct.
Kriya will become to doing. Astu. Pariraj Mohoday.
भवान् अङ्गुलिकाम् अन्वेषयतु. भवान् अङ्गुलिकायाम् अन्वेषणं. अङ्गुलिका रिङ्ग्. अन्वेषणं करोतु. भवान् अङ्गुलिकायाम् अन्वेषणं करोतु.
न अङ्गुलिकायाः अन्वेषणं करोतु.
Sorry, स्त्रीलिङ्ग. भवान् अङ्गुलिकायाः अन्वेषणं करोतु.
Tell the English meaning as well.
So you search the ring.
And in second case.
Next one also.
No. So Bhavan Angulika Anveshayatu is search the ring. Angulikaya Anveshanam Karoti. No. When you say Bhavan Angulikaya Anveshanam Karotu, then the verb will become do. Do the search of the ring. The English will also change. So in first case, the Kriya is search. But when you change to Angulikaya and Vaishnav, then the Kriya will become do. Because you say Kriya become Karoti. And Vaishnav Karotu. So do the search of the ring. The meaning is same. But the way you form sentence in English, that changes as well. Astu Parthi Bhagini Karotu.
Karma karaha kakshayam prakshalayanti.
Kachyam navati kachyam.
Kashyam. The workers are cleaning the classroom. Karma karaha kakshayam. Kakshaya. What is kakshya? Kakshayaha prakshalayam karoti.
Kurvanti.
Kurvanti. Karoti will become kurvanti. The classroom is being washed by the workers are doing the cleaning of the classroom.
Workers doing the cleaning of the classroom. Swapna Bhagini, do the next one.
Archakaha Devi Pujayati.
Devi Bhavati, Devi Bhakti. Oh, the dot is not
Devim.
Devi.
Yeah,
Dot
so
is not very
Archakaha
clear.
Archakaha Devyaha Pujanam Karoti. The god, no, the priest, no. Puja is done by the priest. No, puja of the god is done by the priest. Of the goddess is done by the priest.
It is done no, because it is activized only. The priest is doing the puja of the goddess. First is that the priest is worshipping the goddess, and second, and after change, the priest is doing the worship of the goddess. Astu. Uma Bhagini, do the next one.
Nadim Dushayanti. So they are bad people are polluting the river. Dushta janaha nadyaha dushanam kurvanti. So they are same thing. They are doing pollution of the river.
Doing the pollution of the river.
Deepak Mode, this E dhatu, the first one, couldn't understand. Can you little explain that? What is the E dhatu here?
So adhite, the dhatu is E. Like when you say patati, dhatu is patha. Gachati, dhatu is gama. Similarly, in adhite, dhatu is E. Clear, Mother?
But the Kriya Pada is Adhyayanam, right?
No, so Adhyanam is the Bhavachak form. Lakar is adhite. Here the Kriya is adhite. Like you say, when you say patati, what is the dhatu? Patati?
Patha.
So patha is called Prasmay Pada. So it's going like Parthi, Partha, Pathanti, Parsi, Partha, Pathata, Pathai, Patha, Pathama. So E is a Atmanepadi dhatu. So it has different form. So we haven't discussed Atmanepadi now. It will come after, I think.
So to me it was sounding like Atmanepadi with little knowledge. So that is why.
So it's Atmanepadi. So it's like adhite, labte, adhite, adhyete, adhyante.
Adhyante.
But the dhatu is E there. Dhatu is E.
E dhatu. So the Kriya, the dhatu we derive for the Kriya Padam.
Yes, so like in patati, dhatu is pat.
But
In gachati,
okay.
dhatu is gum. In
Astu,
adhite,
astu.
dhatu is e. E.
Clear,
Single letter
clear,
E.
clear.
That means yesterday.
Dhanyavad.
Now there is another use case of sashti called anantaram. So Swarna Bhagini Praduttu.
Who?
Anantaram
Me?
Purvam. हाँ
You
मैडम
want?
पढ़ो.
Oh, okay, okay. Sorry, I heard Smita. Anantaram, after Purvam, before cha. Anantaram Purvam cha. सः पुस्तकायाः पठनस्य अनन्तरम् अभ्यासं करोति. Separate two actions being done in the sentence. सः पुस्तिकां पठति अनन्तरम् अभ्यासं करोति. When anantaram is used, both the karma padam and bhavadyotaka padam get shashti vibhakti. Pustikayah pathanasya anantaram abhyasam karoti. Devasya pujanasya.
So it is lep pratyaya here. Patanasya.
No, षष्ठी. All षष्ठी. वो षष्ठी. पुस्तिकायाः पठनस्य वो षष्ठी. पठनस्य. लेप् नास्ति. षष्ठी भक्ति अस्ति. पठनस्य. Like Rama. रामस्य. So पठनस्य. अकारान्त अस्ति न. So you are saying that after reading the book, she is doing abhyasam. So pustikaya patanasya anantaram. After the reading of what? Pustikaya patanasya. Basically, here he is doing two actions. Sa pustikam patati anantaram abhyasam karoti. But you can express this using twa as well. You can also say Sah pustikam patitva abhyasam karoti. That we can also say. Same thing. You can express the same feeling that way as well. So when you want to have this use anantaram, then anantaram always used with Sashti Bhakti. Patnas anantaram, after the study, abhyasam karoti. Bhagini padatu.
Devasya pujanasya anantaram saha bhojanam karoti.
So basically,
After
let me change this to Devya.
Oh, Devyaha pujanasya anantaram saha bhojanam karoti. He eats food after doing
the
puja
of
of
the Devi.
Devi.
The Devi. So you can say like this, or if you don't want to say like this, you can split it. Sah Devim pujayati, saha anantaram saha bhojanam karoti. You can say that way as well. You can split it two sentences, or like Phadi Maharaj was saying, we can use twa as well. Devim pujayitva saha bhojanam karoti. You can say that way as well. Astu. Uma Bhagini, read the next.
When Mitram Devya Pujana Purvam, Mitram Devya Pujanat Purvam Snati. Separate two actions being done in the sentence. Saha Devim Pujayati Purvam Snati. When Purvam is used, the Karma Padam gets Sashti Vibhakti and Bhavadyotak Padam gets Panchami Vibhakti. Karmakari Kupya Prakshalanat Purvam Jalam Pibati. So, the worker The worker drinks water before cleaning the well. Kupi will be well.
Pibati Anayati. So basically what happens, Purvam is always used with Panchami Bhakti. So you are saying Prachalanat Purvam, before washing of what? Pupyah. So before washing the pupi, the bottle, she brings the water. So sorry, before washing the bottle, she brings the water.
What is the word for
So-
well then?
Vellavagni, bottle. That's a Koopa. Koopa. Well is Koopa. Bottle is Koopi. So Karmakari Kupya Prachalya Purvam Jalam Anyati. Before washing the bottle, she gets the water. So with Anantaram, we always use Sashti. So basically the thing that you want to say here is that if you want to join two words, we can use Sashti as well. One which cases you can use Pla Pratyay or Lep Pratyay, but if you want to use two verbs, you can use Sashti like this. But in Sashti, if you want to use Anantaram and Purvam, with Anantaram, there will be Sashti again, like Pustikaya Patnas. But if you are using Purvam, then the second word will be in Panchami, because with Purvam we always use Panchami. So that's why you see in both cases, the first word is always Sashti, but the second one changes. If you are using Antaram, then will be Sashti. The second Kriya will take Sashti. But if you use Purvam, then the second will take Panchami. ऐसा स्पष्ट अस्ति? Is clear?
Sir, what is this Bhavadyotaha Padam?
Bhavadyotaha Padak means Bhavachak. Bhav means Kriya. So, Aham Patati, I read. Now, how you express Kriya as a noun? Aham Pathanam Karomi. Pathanam is Bhavadyotak. Because Bhav is a Bhav, because you, it's not a pure Sangya. It is Sangya, but what it is telling you? It is telling you of an action. That action is called Bhav. So Bhava Devatak or also called Bhavachak. So in this case, Pathanam is Bhava Devatak. In this case, Pujanam is Bhava Devatak. So Pujayati, Pujanam. Pujanam tells you the bhav of verb Pujayati. So bhav means, just remember, like bhav means verb. Verb is called bhav.
Okay.
Astu, we'll just quickly go through Sarvanam Padam. Parthe Bhagini Padtu.
Tad etad shabdah Shashti Vibhakti Rupani Strilinge. Sambandham of belonging to. Vasishtah Tasyaha Etasyaha Guruhu. Vasishtha is her guru. Vasishtah Tasam Etasam Guru. Vashishta is their guru.
Hmm.
So tasyaha, tayoho,
Tasya, tasam.
tasyaha, tayoho, tasam.
Hmm.
Etasyaha, etayoho, etasam.
अस्तु क्लियर् अस्ति कोऽपि संशयः अस्ति अत्र कोऽपि डौट् अस्तु अग्रे गच्छामः एतत् पठतु भगिनि
किम शब्दः षष्ठी विभक्ति रूपाणि स्त्रीलिंगे संबंधम whose belonging to whom वशिष्ठः कस्याः गुरुः वशिष्ठः वसिष्ठः कस्याः गुरुः वसिष्ठ तस्याः एतस्याः छात्रायाः गुरु वशिष्ठः कासायां गुरु वशिष्ठः तासाम् एतासां छात्राणां गुरुः कास्याः कयोः कासां
कस्याः कयोः कासां usually the last slide that we discussed same thing just that now we are asking question using kim shabda so the interesting thing on this slide is the form kasyah kayoh kasam astu let's do some exercise Parthivagnu sorry Supramagni karotu
नकुलः सा पूजां कर एकनिमिषम् ओके नकुलः तस्याः तस्याः अनुजः
हाँ बहुत
Is that right?
सम्यक हाँ बहुत सम्यक तुलसी भगवान do the next one
अहम तस्याः पूजां करोमि अहं तस्याः पूजां करोमि
you can pick any all will be good सम्यक उमा भगिनी
तस्याः
उमा भगिनी do the next
one
उमा भगिनी
त्वं
उमा
कस्याः अनुकरणं करोषि
हाँ बहुत सम्यक भगिनी हरिराज महोदय भगवान् भानपि करोतु pick any
नकुलः एषा एषा
you can pick
Is
any
it एषा or एषा?
हाँ ऐसा you have to use षष्ठी भक्ति
Okay, I'll make that षष्ठी नकुल एषा एतत् एतयोः नकुलः
षष्ठी of ऐसा किं भवति we just look at right एतस्याः
एतस्याः
हाँ एतस्याः you can pick any
एतस्याः करोषि न
नहीं एतस्याः अनुकरणं करोसि this is full
Okay, that's one full sentence. All right. I'll use it as anujah. Nakulah etasyaha anujah.
हाँ अब tell the meaning as well
Nakula is her brother.
हाँ नकुला is her brother बहुत सम्यक भगवान wait a second अस्तु स्वप्ना भगिनी करोतु।
नायकः तस्याः, is that right or like that, or
Yes. Do this now.
नायकः यस्याः छत्रं स्वीकरोति सा गीता।
बहुत सम्यक।
एक-
Do the next. हाँ, बहुत सम्यक। तुलसी भगवान, do the next one.
भक्ताः यस्याः स्वीकृत यस्याः राज्ञी स्वीकृत सैनिकाः यस्याः राज्ञी स्वीकृतवन्ती साः, I think
यस्याः धनं स्वीकुर्वन्ति सा
ओके,
राज्ञी।
सैनिकाः यस्याः धनं स्वीकुर्वन्ति सा राज्ञी।
Tell the English meaning as well.
नायकः,
No, translate in English as well, Mahoday. Translate in English. The one that you said, translate in English as well.
pardon?
Translate in English. What you said, translate that in English.
सैनिकाः,
please translate in English is what he is asking you to do.
Okay. Whose money has been accepted by the Sainikas? They are that is Ragni.
She is queen. Astu. Uma Bhagini, padatu.
षष्ठी विभक्ति रूपाणि स्त्रीलिंगे यस्य ययोः येषाम् of whom whose Gangadasah.
So this is relative pronoun that we already studied. Now we are doing it for strilingi.
Gangadasah yasyah guruhu sa Lakshmibai. So the person whose Guru Gangadas is, she is Rani Lakshmibai. Gangadasa dasah yasam guruhu asti te virangana. The person, the people whose Guru Gangadas is, they are great women warriors.
Warriors. Oh, sorry.
WARR.
That's fine. Warriors. Astu. Pariraj Mahoday, karotu.
She whose husband is Vishnu is Devi Lakshmi. She whose husband is Vishnu is Devi Lakshmi. Yasyaha Vishnuhu Patni. Yasyaha Patihi Vishnuhu Tasam Devi Lakshmi.
Tasam na
Tasya.
Tasya na yasya pati Vishnu sa Devi Lakshmi.
Yasyaha Patihi Vishnuhu sa Devi Lakshmi.
Devi. Whose husband is Vishnu? See, Devi Lakshmi. Sapna Bhagni करो तो.
He whose name is Saraswati, I worship her. Saraswati yasyaha nama sa aham namami.
हाँ. ताम. ताम.
Oh, tam. Tam, yes, yes. Tam. Tam Bande. Okay, ठीक.
हाँ. ताम मंदे. नमामि is correct. Namami is also right. Tam namami. Tam mande. That also right. Both are correct. उमा भगनी करो तो.
यस्याः लेखनी पतति सा कमला.
हम्म. सा कमला. Patati asti, that's also fine. Patati, that's also fine. Now here it is it is the ka pratyay, but that's fine. What you said is that's also right.
So whose pen fell will be past tense, no?
Whose pen fell?
यस्याः लेखनी अपतत सा कमला.
Should it not be patati?
So pen fell महोदय, past tense asti. So either you can say yasya lekhani apatat, or you can use ka pratyay. If you remember, we studied about past participle, no? So lekhini patita. But you can say apatat as well. You can keep that simple. That's also fine. Now, Parthi Bhagni karo to.
महोदय तस्याः work is कार्यं
सम्यक्. यस्याः कार्यं सम्यक्.
सम्यक्
उत्तमम्.
उत्तमं सा रामा.
सः रामा.
सः रामा. Yeah, Rama.
Sorry, क्षम्यतां. No, you said सा रामा. सा रामा.
सा रामा. Rama. It is Rama. Okay. Rama.
सा रमा.
सा Rama.
यस्याः कार्यं सम्यक् अस्ति और उत्तमम् अस्ति सा रमा.
Rama.
Tulsi Bhavan, do this one. Tulsi Bhavan. Sapna Bhagni karo tu. The last one.
That which I am searching for is a rare book.
So rare is durlabha.
So durlabha.
So see, book.
That
Striling for book is pustika.
okay.
So book you
So,
can say in Pusak Linga as well, Pullinga and Strilinga. So in the Pusak Linga, it's pustakam. But if you say book in Strilinga, that's called pustika. Or rare means durlabh. Durlabha.
So
pustika.
yes. So how will the yasya
Anveshanam. Yasya Anveshanam.
Yasya Anveshanam Karomi, which I am searching for. Yasya Aham Anveshanam Karomi.
Sa durlabha. Sa.
Saha Tat na?
Sa. Na. Pustika.
Oh, okay. Sa Durlabha Pustika.
Sa durlabha pustika. Oh, is gone.
Durlabha or Durliba. Durlabha.
हमेशा अन्वेषण करो सा दुर्लभ और विरला पुस्तिका. अस्तु. उमा भगिनी, do the next one.
By these sarees, those whose prices are high. Yasyaah shatika.
Yasyaah mulyam. Whose price? Yasyaah mulyam. Adhikam asti.
तस्याः तासां शाटिकां
और ताह
शाटिका
ताह
नो
तो यस्याह मूल्यम् अधिकम् अस्ति ताह मा क्रीडातु. So
यस्याः मूल्यम् अधिकम् अस्ति
now
यस्याः
now here see this is sorry this here बहुवचन अस्ति तो याशाम. Here we have बहुवचन. So याशाम मूल्यम् अधिकम् अस्ति ताह मा क्रीणातु. येषां शाटिका येषां न भवति अत्र यासां भवति. यासां शाटिकानां मूल्यम् अधिकम् अस्ति ताः मा क्रीडातु. येषां न भवति यासां भवति. व्याकरणदोषमस्ति. सो इज टाइपिंग मिस्टेक. येषां न भवति यासां.
यासां
यासां शाटिकानां. So I will correct this. यासां. Sorry. यासां शाटिकानां मूल्यम् अधिकम् अस्ति ताः माः क्रीडातु. अस्तु.
So ma
Now
is don't, is it?
मा is don't.
not be
So
Is
ताम
whenever
there
मा
another?
क्रीणेतु ताम मा क्रीणातु.
न महोदय बहुवचन अस्ति न. बहुवचन अस्ति.
ओ
ताम ते ताः. ताम ते ताः.
okay
सा ते
okay
ताः.
okay
ताम
correct
ते
correct
ताः.
स्त्रीलिंग. oh right.
So when you so if you see क्रीणातु अस्ति अस्ति न. क्रीणातु is लोट लकार. When we use लोट लकार then we don't use न. When we use लोट लकार then we use मा. मा करोतु. मा पठतु. मा क्रीडातु.
We can't use na
No.
karotu.
No. We with lot lakar, people use na as well, but with lot lakar we use ma.
Ah, okay.
Ma pattu. And even if it's used na, it won't be completely wrong. But generally with lot lakar, people use ma. But you can use na as well. If you use na, that also will be fine.
Um,
So this is the forms we already have gone through. So you can go through this one. So we have akarant, ikarant forms. And here we have all the sarvanam. So tadrup, sate, tah, kim roop, yad form. So you can take a look. And asmad yusmad doesn't change. So asmad yusmad, it remains same across all the lingas. So it doesn't matter it is Strilinga, Pullinga, Napumsaklinga. The asmad and yusmad form will remain same. It will always be aham. Doesn't matter the person who is saying aham is Pullinga or Strilinga. So aham will be aham. So that won't change. Aham is yusmad. They all same. So let's do some practice from this book. So Bhasha Pravesh Pustakat from 15 till 24. So I think I should have downloaded this already. I don't know where to go. So BPI, Bhasa Pravesha. Okay, I don't know where it did go. Okay, let me download it again. Just open it. And we'll go to 15. Is it? Sashti Bhakti, okay. So let's do some exercise. Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
ஹலோ
Hmm.
சொல்லுங்க
Uh,
Isharan Mahoday, please mute yourself.
I muted him, that's fine. तुलसी महोदय बाहर पढ़ो तो अभ्यास करो तो
Bottom one. आवरणो आवरणे विद्यमानयोः
शब्दयोः
विद्यमानयोः
आयेन
शब्दयोः
साहाय्येन. Basically what he's
साहाय्ये
saying is
अच्छा
what he's saying is that in the
वाक्यानि
bracket
रचयन्तु. Okay, okay.
to use this words from the bracket and make a sentence.
Avaranura, with the help of the words given in the avarana, write the sentences.
Avarana is bracket.
Vasudeva, Devaki, Patihi, Patni. Okay, Vasudevasya Patni Devaki, Devakasya Patihi Vasudevaha.
No, Devakyaha Pati Vasudeva.
Devakyaha Pati Vasudevaha. It is like that. So
in this example,
Ramakrishnaha Vivekanandaha. Ramakrishnaha Vivekanandasya Guruhu. Vivekananda Ramakrishnasya Sishyaha.
or you can say Ramakrishna's Sishyah Vivekanandaha.
Ramakrishna's Sishyaha Vivekananda.
You can say either way. Basam mein. Parthiv Agni karo to. Third one.
Can't read that too clearly. What is that? Dasharatha, is it? Dasharatihi, Vaidehi, Patihi, Patni.
Dasati, Dasati is Rama.
Dasharati.
Dasharatha's son is called Dasarathi.
Acha. Dasharatihi. Dasharatihi.
So what will become Dasati? Ikarantasti kalu. Sashti will be become Dasa. Dasarathi.
Acha.
What? Dasharathyah, na?
No, Dasarathi asti Ram. So Ikarant. Sorry, pulling
Ikaran, Hari Shabdavat?
Hari Sabda. So
Hare hai. Dasharathe hai. Okay.
Dasharateha, Patihi.
No, Patni.
Patni, Vaidehi. And Vaidehi, this will become Vaidehi, no? So
like Nadi.
Nadi. Patnyaha Vaidehya, Vaidehi, Vaidehyaha, right?
सही सम्यक् अस्ति हा सम्यक् अस्ति
Vaidehyaha Patihi Dasharatha.
न दशरथ न
Dasharatha.
दाशरथी
Dasharatihi.
तो दशरथ सन्नि दाशरथी दशरथ सन्नि दाशरथी
Dasharati.
अस्तु Sapna Bhagini, do the
So it
next
will
one.
be Vaidehyaha. Is that how it is? Vaidehyaha.
Vaidehya.
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 Vaidehya. Nadyaha.
Vaidehyaha. Like Nadi. Sapna Bhagini, do the next one.
Yeah.
Jamadagnihi Renuka Patihi Patni. Jamadagnehe Patni Renuka. Renukayaha Patihi Jamadagnihi.
बहुत सम्यक उमा भगिनी, do the next one.
अभिमन्यु सुभद्रा सुभद्रायाः पुत्रः अभिमन्युः अभिमन्योः माता सुभद्रा
हाँ अभिमन्यु is like guru. हाँ like guru. हाँ बहुत सम्यक अस्तु फ्रीराज महोदय भवान् करोतु
भारतस्य राजधानी देहली भारतम् अस्तु काश्मीरस्य राजधानी श्रीनगरम् नपुंसकलिङ्ग अस्तु राजस्थानम् अगेन नपुंसकलिङ्ग राजस्थानस्य राजधानी जयपुरम्
now do the next one as well.
अस्तु कपिः पुल्लिंग इकारात् कपेः चञ्चलतां पश्यतु
बहुत सम्यक महोदय
look at sorry
बहुत सम्यक
अस्तु धन्यवादः
उमा भगिनी करोतु do 3 do 5th 6th and 7th
6th and 7th okay Guru
5th 6th 5th 6th and 7th
6th and 7th okay मुनिः मनः प्रशान्तं भवति मुनेः मनः प्रशान्तं भवति गुरोः वाक्यानि स्मरन्तु पिताः would be पितुः सः बालकः पितुः प्रिय
बहुत सम्यक
Deepak Bhai, can you repeat because Uma Bhagini's voice is very feeble. I can't hear. I don't know if it is my problem or.
She said सः बालकः पितुः प्रियः पितुः प्रियः
पितुः okay पिता आकार अस्तु
पार्थिव भगिनी do the 8th 9th and 10th
Who, me, sir?
हाँ
अच्छा सः बालकः पिता प्रियः
now do the 8th भगिनी do the 8th 9th and 10th
अच्छा
हाँ
so Jeta is Strilinga Akaranta?
No Rikarant Pulling.
I don't know the Pullinga form, sir.
Jetu like Pita. Jetu na.
Pita.
Jetu.
Yuddhe Jetuhu Athiva Ananda Bhavati. Yuddhaha, what does that mean? Jetuhu? Jeta?
Jetu means the one who won. That's a Jetu.
Acha, the people who won. Okay. Jeta, Yuddhe, Jetaha, Athiva, Jetuhu, Athiva Ananda Bhavati. Okay.
So in the war,
war, who won? Will be
who,
the winner.
winners,
Will be
the
will be
winners,
very happy.
the winners, extreme happiness happens.
Happens.
Again, do the ninth one.
Sneha Atulaha Mata. That is Strilinga, right? Matayaha
Mata na
Sneha
bhagni. Mata is
Matasya.
vikarant. No. Mata is vikarant. Matuhu.
Matuhu.
Matri
Okay.
bhavati. Like Pita. Matuhu.
Matuhu Snehe Atulaha. Mother's love is the most, is it?
It cannot be compared. Atulaha. It cannot be
Atulaha
compared.
cannot be
Comparable.
compared. Okay.
Matu Sneha Atulaha. Astu.
Atulaha.
Tulsi Bhavan, do the rest. Do the 10th, 11th, and 12th.
Okay. 10th is Veena. Veena is Strilinga. Vedayaha Dvanihi Madhuraha. Nadi again Strilinga. Nadyaha Gatihi Vakraha. Vastu. Vastu is like Dhenu. So Vastuvoh Mulyam Adhikam.
Vastuvoh Mulyam Adhikam. Let me check. I think Vastu is Vastu
Like Dhenu, I think.
It will become Vastuvoh.
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 Nee, Vastuvaha, no?
No, Bhagni.
Voh. Guru Guroh.
ये वस्तु is नपुंसकलिंग.
Acha.
वस्तु is नपुंसकलिंग. Let's confirm it.
Napumsakalinga. Okay.
वस्तु वस्तु is वस्तुनः. Vastu is Vastuna Bhavan. Vastuna. Vastu is more than Punsak Lingasti, so that becomes Vastuna. That's what they given in this book.
Vastunaham is like Madhu.
Madhuna. So that will become
So what is the Pratipadikam?
Vastu.
Vastu?
But Vastu is what you call Napunsak Linga. It's like Madhu. Madhuna Bhavati Tathaiva Vastuna. Ukarant asti kintu Napunsak Linga asti. So for Guru it is Guru, but for Vastu it is Napunsak Linga, so is a Vastuna.
That's because Guru is Pullinga. Vastu is
Napunsak Linga. Astu. Swapna Bhagni Karotu.
वसुदेवस्य पुत्रः कृष्णः बलरामस्य सहोदरः कृष्णः कुचेलस्य मित्रं कृष्णः मीरायाः स्वामी कृष्णः देवक्याः पुत्रः कृष्णः रुक्मिण्याः पतिः कृष्णः मथुरायाः राजा कृष्णः अर्जुनस्य सारथिः कृष्णः.
बहु सम्यक्. अस्तु, एतदपि करोतु. Do the first column.
I have to do again? Okay.
Do one. do yeah
एक
do
मिनट
हाँ करो तू
गिरेः नाम हिमालयः गिरेः नाम विन्ध्याचलः ओके पत्रिकायाः व्हाट इज इट संदेशः मतलब पत्रिकायाः नाम संदेशः पत्रिकायाः नाम चन्दमामा ओके ओके
अस्तु हाँ इदानीं हरिराज महोदय भवान् करोतु
देव्याः नाम सरस्वती देव्याः नाम अन्नपूर्णा
बहु सम्यक्
Devi's name is Saraswati or Annapurna.
इदानीं पार्थिभगिनी करोतु
Grantah. So this is Pullinga, right?
लिङ्ग अस्ति
Granth. I mean, I've not done pulling, so I really don't know. Granth.
रामशब्दवत् रामशब्दवत् रामस्य ग्रन्थस्य
ग्रन्थस्य ग्रन्थस्य नाम रामायणं ग्रन्थस्य नाम हरिश्चरितम् हर्षचरित्रम्
बहु सम्यक् नौ तुलसीराम भवान् करोतु
देशयोः मध्ये युद्धं मा भवतु लैक् हस्तौ द्विवचनं संयोजनेन
टेल द इंग्लिश मीनिंग एज वेल देशयोः मध्ये युद्धं मा भवतु
देवयोः मध्ये युद्धं मा भवतु there should not be war within the country.
War should not happen between of two countries.
अच्छा देशयोः ओके देशयोः मध्ये ओके between two countries no war should be there okay हस्तौ द्विवचनं संयोजनेन अंजलिः भवति हस्ता is pullinga so
षष्ठी is same षष्ठी is same for षष्ठी द्वितीय वचनी same for all lingas
हस्तयोः करेक्ट हस्तयोः संयोजनेन अंजलिः भवति
till the English meaning as well महोदय
तयोः गुरवोः आशीर्वादं
no भवान् tell the English meaning of the first one the first that you did tell the English meaning भवान्
in English
first one हस्तयोः संयोजनेन अंजलिः भवति tell the English
हस्तयोः संयोजनेन अंजलिः भवति with the union of the two hands the namaskaram happens
अंजलि अंजलि भवति ठीक अस्तु do the second one as well
सः गुरुः आशीर्वादः प्राप्नोति सः गुरवोः आशीर्वादं प्राप्नोति गुरोः करेक्ट गुरु इज एकवचनं करेक्ट सः गुरोः आशीर्वादं प्राप्नोति he is getting the blessings of the guru
no here you have gurus there are two gurus so guruvoh you are right guruvoh सः गुरुवोः आशीर्वादं प्राप्नोति
guru is okay guru is correct guruः correct guruvoh correct he is getting the blessings of two gurus
now do the third one as well
so भ्रातरौ कलहेन भगिनी
हम्म,
खिन्नः भवति भ्रातरयोः
no, no, भ्रातृ न
भ्रातृयोः
no, no,
भ्रातृयोः कलहेन भगिनी खिन्ना भवति
भ्रातृयोः न भ्रात्रोः भ्रात्रोः
like
पित्रोः
like पित्रयो
पित्र्योः न पित्र्योः न पित्रोः
पित्रोः करेक्ट भ्रात्रोः कलहेन भगिनी खिन्नः भवति because of the fight between the brothers, sisters are worked up, are not happy.
अस्तु
One sister, not sisters na, ekavachanam.
एकवचनमस्ति अस्तु फणिराज महोदय भवान् करोतु डू द 4th, 5th and 6th
अस्तु वाहने घट्टनेन दुर्घटना भवति वाहने
घटनेन means collision. घटनेन means collision.
No, I was trying to figure out the vahanam. Vahane is the bahuvachanam of pullinga.
महोदय बहुवचन पुल्लिंग न वाहनम वाहने नपुंसकलिंग द्विवचन.
Vahanaha is the bahuvachan. Vahane is dvivachan. So vahane, vahana, vahanam, vahane, vahanaha, vahanasya.
Na, sir. नहीं, फलम फले फलानि, वाहनम वाहने वाहनानि.
द्विवचन
So,
षष्ठी same for all the
द्विवचन.
cases.
अस्तु धन्यवाद. Right. So वाहने घट्टनेन दुर्घटना भवति. So the shashti for vahane dvivachan is what? Let me quickly look it up.
वाहनयोः.
रामस्य रामयोः रामाणां. So रामाणां. So it will be वाहनस्य वाहनयोः वाहनयोः.
षष्ठी द्वितीया is same for all. पुल्लिंगा नपुंसकलिंगा स्त्रीलिंगा they are all same. वाहनयोः.
वाहनयोः.
वाहनयोः घट्टनेन दुर्घटना भवति. Okay, वाहनयोः. Need to rectify these things. Okay. Sri Krishna.
No, tell the meaning as well. Tell the meaning.
Yeah, so the meaning you actually said it. There is an accident between two vehicles.
No. So collision of two vehicles causes accident.
Oh, like that. Ghattanena. Okay.
Ghattanena means collision. Collision. To the next one as well.
Okay, there's a trick. Okay. Sri Krishna sene madhye Arjunasya ratham sthapayati. Again, sene. This is the sene, sena, sene. This is again dvivachanam.
Dvivachanam. They're all dvivachanam.
Okay. Sri Krishna senayoho madhye Arjunasya ratham sthapayati. Between the two armies, Sri Krishna stopped the chariot.
Established.
Arjuna's chariot was established between the two armies. Correct.
Sapna can only do the 6th and 7th.
अद्य कवि कवि सम्मानन कार्यक्रमः अस्ति. अद्य कव्याः
कवियोः.
क्यों?
Two kavis.
कवि.
No, two kavis.
कवि.
Kavi is ikaran pullinga.
हाँ, वो पुल्लिंग है. Okay. Oh, Hari, Hari, Harihi, Hari. Okay, okay. So Kavayoho. Okay. Adya Kavayoho Sammanana Karyakramaha Asti. Today, there is um, honoring program, or I don't know what to say.
Felicitation.
Felicitation of two poets, two male poets. Mama Bhaginyau. Okay, Bhagini, Bhaginyau, Bhaginyoho, right? ठीक है? Bhaginyoho, Mama Bhaginyoho, निवासः ग्रामे अस्ति. My two sisters' house is in the village. Correct?
House is in village. Do the eighth one as well.
Oh, okay. Kauravaha pita Dhritarashtra. Kauravaणाम पिता धृतराष्ट्रः. So बहुवचने में बहुवचन. पांडवाः रक्षकः कृष्णः. पांडवानां रक्षकः कृष्णः.
Now सम्यक्. Vagni, do the 10th and 11th.
भारतीया धर्म सनातनः. भारतीयानां धर्मः सनातनः. वयं भाषा संस्कृतं. वयं it will be अस्मिन्. अस्माकं भाषा संस्कृतं.
Parthivagni, do the 12th and 13th.
महोदय. नद्यः जीवनं परोपकारार्थं. नदीनां जीवनं परोपकारार्थं. What does that mean? Paropakaraर्थं.
For benefit of others.
For others. So the life of the river is for the benefit of others.
Paropkaram, for Jat Kalyanam, Lok Kalyanam.
Rivers. Bahuvachane, rivers.
Yeah, Bahuvachane, rivers. Okay. Bhasha Janani Samskritam. Bhashayam.
No.
Bhashayah Janani Samskritam.
I think it should be. I think here. I think is a type. It should be bhasah. So it should be bhasanam. I think it's type. It should be. It's not bhasa. It should be bhasaya. It should be bhasa. So bhasanam.
Bhashanam Janani Samskrita. Samskritam is the mother of all languages.
For Bhasha will Natvam apply for Bhashanam?
भाषाणां भवति सम्यक् भाषाणां भवति सम्यक्. So let's stop here. You can practice. There are more exercises there, so you can practice. If you have any doubt, we can discuss in next class. So there are more exercises here actually. So we have exercises for Purutah, Prishthatah, Vamatah, Dakshinatah. So we have till 24, 25. 25 you can study as a Bhyaska. The good exercise actually is build up your vocabulary as well and get more practice. Astu. Vayam samapyamah. Sorry, I will let me change this 25 to 24. Astu. So you can do this rest of the um, pages you can do at home. Astu. Astu. Any doubt? Any question regarding Shashti Vibhakti?
Just need
No homework, Deepak Mohan?
Homework is there. Homework is there.
Ah.
I'll put it there. I'll put on the class. Astu. Pariraj Mohoday, Mangal Shlokam Pavatu.
Astu. पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ तत्सत् धन्यवादः पुनः मिलामः।